Hey, so I didn't have much of a video today. I didn't have one ready, I guess. So might not be much of anything. I'm just at Home Depot. I need to get some J channel for my soffit on the chicken coop. And then we're going to pick up a tire changer. So let's go and do that. So, got our J channel. I'm gonna put some gas in the truck, and then we got about half hour, 45-minute drive to go get this tire changer. So, might do a little bit of a montage, time lapse of that. So. The toolbox keeps opening. Picked up the tire changer now, so we're just gonna head home. I'm just gonna warp home now. So we made it home. Gotta unload it now. Gotta get the bobcat. We got it all hooked up. Having a little bit too much fun taking tires off. So that'll do it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.